Hey everyone, Dan Oddy here again. Welcome to another edition of Detroit Speed's Tech Talk. Today, we're going to introduce our brand new rear suspension for the 1979 to 93 Fox Body Mustang, as well as the 79 to 86 Mercury Capris. Now these kits are going to include a rear tubular sway bar, our patented Swivel Links that's going to replace the factory control arms, our complete bolt-in rear suspension coilover system, as well as a track bar that was never included in the original factory suspension design. During our testing with a modern performance tire, we noticed that the axle was moving laterally from side to side more than we liked it to, which is why we decided to design a track bar. Now it's really nice because it'll bolt in underneath. And our track bar here you see actually has a cross-axis pivot bushing that can swivel and keep everything free underneath the suspension. Once you bolt that in, you can actually run up to 2.5-inch exhaust without having to modify your fuel tank. The addition of a track bar will add more grip and acceleration off the line, as well as give you more confidence in the corners. By utilizing holes in the frame rail, you're going to bolt on your body side bracket, and the track bar will install on the other end with an axle bracket that bolts on to your factory 8.8 axle. The factory rear sway bar is ineffective in that it bolts to the lower control arms. Now you really want the sway bar attached to the chassis and not your suspension to help minimize deflection. Detroit Speed sway bars mount with a low friction ball style end link, allowing free articulation of the bar, eliminating binding through the range of rear suspension travel. Another key component to our rear suspension is our bolt-in rear coilover conversion kit that's going to replace your factory shock and spring configuration. This allows the latest in coilover spring shock technology to be bolted onto any Fox Body Mustang, bringing your classics handling and ride into the 21st century with our Detroit-tuned valving. The springs are removed from lower control arms and shock mounts are relocated into the frame rail for maximum strength and wheel tire clearance. Once coilover conversion is complete, Detroit Speed mini tubs may be installed in the car at any time. One of the most important products to the Fox Body rear suspension is our patented Swivel Links that can eliminate bind and allow your suspension to fully articulate without any noisy Heim joint style links. Swivel-Link rear links allow for easy pinion angle adjustment without unbolting from the car for improved traction and lower driveline vibrations. The Fox Body Mustang Swivel-Link Kit comes with new hardware and directly bolts in to replace the factory links. A Coilover Conversion Kit is required before installing the Swivel Links, as there is no spring perch on the Swivel Link like on the factory arm. All the components you see here utilize laser cut brackets that are compatible with the factory frame and the 8.8 rear axle. They also provide clearance for up to a 3-inch exhaust depending on your mini tub and wheel and tire width, and may include some fuel tank modification. Thanks for watching another episode of Detroit Speaks Tech Talk on our brand new Fox Body rear suspension. If you have any questions, please call us at 704-662-3272, or you can send us an email at sales@detroitspeed.com. You can also visit us at detroitspeed.com or any of our social media outlets.